Hey y'all, welcome back. Gonna get this thing a facelift today. The hood has seen better days. It's got a hole. Yep, hole in the hood. Paint is jacked up. You gotta look up close to see it. And the grill's just old, man. You can't clean it no more. The lights were changed out before I got it. But going a completely different look. So hang out with me for a little bit and we'll give this thing a facelift. Check it out, modified. So I don't know if y'all remember when I painted this a few months ago, but this is what it looks like now. And it's all my fault. It was gorgeous. All right guys, the grill is dry and it came out freaking awesome. Can't wait to put it on the car. That Suburban's gonna look great. As the end result, spray paint. Gloss black, high gloss. And I decided I want to go another route with my truck. So I was gonna strip the paint off. I should have just sanded it because it wasn't bad. What happened was it got blown off the table a few times and skidded across this freshly poured concrete and really just tore it up. And I was so mad about it, but I was like, hey, let me fix this. So I went and got some paint remover, painted on, did 2 coats. Now I was just gonna blast the paint off with my pressure washer. Didn't work out too well. The pressure washer or the solvent ate through the plastic. And it's bad. I could fix it. That's a whole lot of body filler and a whole lot of sanding. So I just went and bought a new grill. Old and busted. New hotness. What you got, kid? New grill. What's it look like? I don't know yet. Suburban. Oh man, almost lost it. Got screws. Hold up, flip this over. Alright, so what we got's a 3-piece. Three-piece gloss black. Looks like the left eyebrow or the passenger side. The right eyebrow. The middle piece. Oh man, it's a mesh grill. Check that out. So nice. Man, let's do the middle of that grill silver. What you think?
I think so. Do good with the black.
You could go with the lights too.
Oh, yeah.
All right, well let's tape off all this black and we'll spray this mesh silver. That way it's not lost in translation. It'll pop.
All right.
All right, so I got my masking tape, quick release. I'm gonna go ahead and mask off the parts I don't want to get paint on. I'm gonna paint this grill silver. So I'll go ahead and mask off the outside and where it curves under and keep the black right.
I'm gonna go ahead and sand this with some 320. I got it folded over so I can get inside of all the little squares really good. And in South Louisiana, it's not just hot, it's humid, it's wet out here. The air, I swear you can grab a handful of it and wring it out. So I'm gonna turn on my big ignorant fan. It's gonna be too loud to do anything with, but you'll get the gist of sanding it and how tedious this really is. All right, my favorite paint, Rust-Oleum paint primer in 1 with this goofy looking top. Stuff sticks to anything. I've used it in salt water, stays on awesome. The grille's been prepped, blew it off, not worried about ripening it down. Got some titanium silver. I'm gonna do a titanium silver grill on a black Suburban. Set it up. So this is a 4-way pattern. You gotta spray it north, south, east, and west, just like the pattern's laid out. I'm gonna start this way to make sure we catch everything this direction. And we'll catch this direction. And then we'll catch this direction. And lastly, this direction. It ain't even gonna look good the first try, because you ain't done yet. You catch the back too, because it goes through.
top 10 best smells in the world.
Yep. All right, it's wet, but I'm gonna unmask it so it doesn't pull any of the stuff that's dry off. I've had that happen before. So when you're unmasking it wet, just keep in mind you're gonna get paint on your hands, and you don't want to touch any of the stuff that you don't want paint on. Alright, so we're going to put on the left or driver's side trim bezel. This just pops over here. Kind of snaps in place and screws in from the back side. My screws got lost in shipping. We had to go get some more from the hardware store. So easy enough. I don't want to put it on its face because of the mesh grill. This was like 60 bucks off of eBay. And beans, I've screwed up the factory original one. Thought I'd go back with something cool. I think this is cool. Passenger side here. So it just kind of snaps in. And screw it in from the back. Right, that's his 8.1 liters of big block power. My best Jeremy Clarkson, right, 8.1 liters of torques. He says, I don't sound like that, but he does, he sounds like that. She dirty, but we're gonna go ahead and pop this chrome grill off and do my new Escalade style grill. That's what I call it. That's gonna be hot. All right, 8.1 liters of dangling fury right there. Got it all cleaned up, looking pretty sharp. It's just a bunch of black plastic, but better than a bunch of dusty plastic. Went ahead and hosed out the radiator core and the AC condenser and the power steering cooler and the transmission cooler. The transmission was getting around 200. Hosed a bunch of mud out of that. When you go mud riding, hose out your radiator. Helps. So we're going to go ahead and put that facelift upgrade on. Hey y'all, thank y'all for tuning in to Modified. I appreciate everyone who's been hitting that subscribe button and liking my videos. Channel's grown over 100 subscribers, which is awesome because now YouTube has made me official. I am a channel, Modified. I got a lot more content coming to show y'all how I got the Suburban this far. I show y'all the grill just now. I got an LED headlight conversion I did on it, and I got an HD hood with the wrap I stuck on it. So tune in next week. I'll have all that content caught up, and we got more to go from here. I plan on putting twin turbos on it, so stay tuned for that. Thank y'all for hitting that like and subscribe button and growing this channel with me. I really appreciate it. I can't thank y'all enough. Till next time.